When I first decided to get into accounting, it's because a coworker told me that you can make decent money doing it without needing a 4-year degree. And when she said that, I thought she meant like maybe 35,000 or 40,000. But as I learned more, accounts payable clerks and accounting professionals are paid better than I initially thought, with entry-level positions starting between 40,000 and 50,000 a year. And with some experience, accounting professionals make between 75,000 and 100,000 within just a few years. And ever since it's become more widely known that you can build a stable career in accounting without massive student debt, a lot more people want to learn these skills naturally. And nowadays, it's really not that difficult. When I was first breaking into accounting, there was only a fraction of the resources that exist today available to people trying to make this career change. And with that amount of resources out there today, it is much, much easier to actually land that first accounting job. And yes, of course, I'm talking about online courses. I'm talking about video content, and I'm talking about structured programs. But I'm also talking about modern tools and platforms that make this process way more accessible. I'm the Accounting Echelon, a CourseCareers career coach and accounting professional with 14 years of experience in accounts payable, payroll, and management. Now, I'm aware that the CourseCareers hype might not be everywhere on social media, but we need to understand how valuable this type of program is when it comes to breaking into accounting, not only for learning the skills, but also for actually landing that first position. If I was starting my accounting career from scratch today, I would be using a program like CourseCareers the entire time, almost as a structured roadmap. But before I get into that, I do want to mention that there are multiple valuable approaches for breaking into accounting. And one of the most comprehensive options out there is CourseCareers. CourseCareers is an online platform and it has a complete accounting certificate program covering multiple different specializations. When you're learning accounting, you're going to usually want to explore different paths and try different roles. And some of the things that you learn in different areas like payroll, bookkeeping, and billing and collections, those skills are going to come together for the final career path that you end up taking. So CourseCareers is great because they've got training in pretty much everything you need. You could focus on accounts payable, you could focus on payroll, you could focus on bookkeeping, you can focus on billing and collections. They have interview prep, resume building, LinkedIn optimization, and get this, they also have coaching support where you have access to accounting career coaches like me who offer all kinds of resume help and LinkedIn feedback, interview prep, and step-by-step job search strategy specifically for your career accounting roles. Like you could learn everything you need to actually get hired. And what's really valuable is that they have this employment focus approach where the entire program is structured around landing you that first job based on what employers actually want. I've recommended this program before, and people that have gone through it have had really positive experiences getting hired. So if you're serious about breaking into accounting, CourseCareers is a solid option to check out. Go into the description of this video. There's information about how to get started, and you can explore the free intro course first. And now let's get back to talking about how you actually land your first accounts payable clerk job and what strategies work best in today's markets. So believe it or not, tons of people are breaking into accounting through focused online programs. Like everyone I talked to who successfully made the career change used some kind of structured learning combined with aggressive job searching. There's still a lot of people that don't take this path, but I would say that generally somebody who's serious about breaking in quickly is probably using a combination of online learning and coaching support. So if you're curious, why would we use this structured approach to break into accounting? Well, there's a few reasons. One of them is the focused curriculum you get. If you're following a program like CourseCareers, it's going to teach you exactly what you need and nothing extra. It's also very practical and job focused. It's not like traditional education where you're learning theory that you might never use, like depending on what employers actually need. These programs adapt and teach you the current relevant skills. And that's what's really valuable because it's very efficient. So whether you're a complete beginner or you have some business experience, you can go through this type of program, and as long as you put in the work, you're going to learn what you need to land that first position. So how would you use a program like this to break into accounting, right? If I don't know anything about accounting or I want to make a career change, how is this going to help me as opposed to just trying to figure it out on my own or going to traditional college? Well, there are multiple reasons I'll go into. But generally, I would just think of it as almost like a structured roadmap or like a clear path when you might otherwise feel lost. I think that is the absolute best use case for programs like this. When you're trying to break into a new field, when you don't understand where to start, when you need help knowing what to learn, when you get completely stuck on what steps to take next, when you're just confused about the whole process, you have now something that can give you clear direction. You can follow the curriculum step by step, and finally, you have a resource that's going to teach you what you need and probably help you understand how to actually get hired. And then you can move forward. You know, before these focus programs existed, when people wanted to break into accounting and there's something they didn't understand, you're going to just Google your questions over and over. Sometimes the advice can get pretty vague and people don't have clear answers for how to actually get hired without experience. So you're going to be clicking through links and links and links, going to be trying to find, does anyone know how to break in? I'm stuck here. I need help getting that first interview. But now we have these structured programs like CourseCareers. If you follow the curriculum and do what they teach you, it usually is going to be able to help you land interviews and get you past those initial roadblocks. For me, this is an extremely valuable approach. If I'm breaking into accounting from scratch today, I'm using a structured program when I have questions or I'm stuck on what to do next or I can't get past some barrier. You know, people didn't have resources like this readily available years ago that could help them when they're stuck trying to break into a new field. You're either going to post questions on Reddit or career forums or somewhere else and just hope that somebody's going to help you out. So there's a few specific ways that structured programs help you when you're trying to break into accounting, right? I'll say practical skills training so you learn the actual software and processes that you will use on the job, like actually understanding QuickBooks, understanding Excel, understanding how accounts payable processes work in real companies. Another thing would be interview preparation, right? Maybe you don't know how to answer behavioral questions, or you just don't understand what employers are looking for. You get that training like, hey, I don't know how to talk about my lack of experience. And you can get really specific guidance. Inside CourseCareers, coaches like me run mock interviews with real AP scenarios and help you build strong, believable stories from your background. Like, I don't even know what questions they're going to ask. I'm confused about what you put on my resume, and these programs usually can teach you and give you frameworks that actually work. It's like you're learning from people who've done this before. In CourseCareers, you can send your resume and LinkedIn to coaches like me for line-by-line feedback so it matches AP job descriptions. Another really helpful thing these programs do is they teach you networking strategies. There's a lot of scenarios where you'll be applying for jobs online, you're sending out applications, maybe you're using LinkedIn. They'll be teaching you concepts about networking and building connections. In CourseCareers, coaching like me share message templates, outreach scripts, and follow-up schedules so you know exactly what to say, when to say it. And you will be like, well, I wonder how to actually reach out to people. But maybe traditional advice doesn't cover that. Maybe they don't give you specific templates and you're like, well, I wish they gave me actual examples. That would help me understand way better. Just follow-up structured programs teach you like, hey, they're telling me to network, but they're not showing me exactly how. Can you give me specific strategies? Or maybe they're talking about follow-up emails and you're like, hey, can I have actual templates? They're not giving me templates. I need multiple examples. So that's pretty awesome. If practical examples and step-by-step guidance are going to help you actually get hired, you now have these resources that can provide them. And then I guess last but not least, you get resume and LinkedIn optimization. Like you can submit your materials and get feedback like, hey, is this resume weak? Is this messed up? Is there anything wrong with my LinkedIn profile? And coaches can give you advice and help you improve. Inside CourseCareers, coaches like me review your bullets and tighten your profile and align your skills to AP postings so you're interview ready. Now, structured programs, let's be clear, they're not magic. You should not rely on just taking a course for everything. I have seen people go through programs and then not put in the effort on the job search side. I've been observing this for years now, and sometimes people get too passive. They'll be like, okay, I finished the course, I'll just apply to a few jobs, and then they'll just keep getting rejected. They'll be like, hey, when is someone going to hire me? And they just think it's going to happen eventually, but they're not really networking or following up or putting in volume. And sometimes you need to slow down and you need to think strategically. You can't use the course as your only strategy. You should use what you learn and then you need to aggressively apply it. Send out tons of applications, do lots of networking, really hustle. That's like how I would think about it. Just think of the program as giving you the foundation because that is literally what it is. It's a training program built to prepare you. So just so you guys don't think I'm overselling this approach, let me be real about what it actually takes. When I broke into accounting, I went through training, yeah, but I also applied to dozens of positions. I networked, I followed up, I kept improving my resume, so it actually requires you to actively use what you learn and implement it in your job search consistently. It tells you what to do and how to position yourself, and all of that stuff is valuable. But what you're actually doing in addition to learning is you need to be applying aggressively. Like you already have the knowledge. You don't need to keep studying endlessly. You just need to take action and start sending applications. I want programs to kind of be alongside you as you build your career, not replace the actual work of job hunting. I guess one more thing I'll say for advice is just make sure you and your strategy are aligned, right? If you're learning skills that match what you're seeing in actual job descriptions and you understand the requirements and everything's lining up, that's a good sign. Like when I was applying for accounts payable positions, I made sure I knew the software they mentioned. I understood the processes they described. I could speak to the responsibilities they listed. And actually, I was getting interviews pretty consistently once I figured that out. The key was I needed to match my skills to what they were actually looking for, not just learn random accounting concepts. Basically, what you're going to want to do when you're trying to break into accounting is you're going to want to be strategic. Apply to specific positions that match your skill level. Tailor your resume to what they're asking for. Give context about how your background relates. When it's a job that seems like a really good fit, like a really strong match, you want to put extra effort into that application. Make sure it's customized so you have a better chance of getting noticed and can get more interviews. And then when you do get the interviews, when you're sitting across from hiring managers, you need to demonstrate that you understand the role. You also need to show that you've prepared, maybe practice answering common questions, maybe rehearse explaining your career change story. Don't just wing it. And if you prepared well, go confidently into those interviews knowing you've done the work. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video to share how you can approach breaking into accounting. People that are trying to start accounting careers nowadays, structured programs like CourseCareers are some of your most valuable resources. In my opinion, I've been in this field for 14 years. I've seen what works. The focused online program approach is legit. I know the hype might not be everywhere on social media, but that's not how career changes work anyway. You know, just because something's not trending doesn't mean it's not effective. I've seen this approach work. I think you guys should consider it for sure. Whether you're just explaining accounting or whether you're serious about making the switch. Now, with a combination of structured learning, that is basically a way to get past the barriers that stop most people, like not knowing what to learn or how to position yourself, as well as other job search strategies. I definitely recommend doing traditional job search activities, applying to lots of positions, networking consistently, follow up step by step. These programs are going to structure and lay out the skills part, right? A course alone is not going to send you job offers. It's not going to network for you in the best, most automatic way. But with a combination of proper training and aggressive job hunting together, this is going to be the most efficient way right now to break into accounting. So I'd love to know how many of you guys are considering this career path, or are you already working in accounting? Let me know in the comments. And also, thank you guys for watching this video and checking out the content. I'd appreciate a like and subscribe if you're new here. I'm trying to put out more helpful content about breaking into accounting and building careers without traditional degrees. So thanks for watching, and I'll always appreciate your support. I should be posting another video soon, so I will see you then. Till then, peace.